Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to talk about skincare and how to achieve perfect skin. Taking care of your skin is essential to maintain its health and glow. In this video, I am going to share some simple and effective tips that will help you take care of your skin, regardless of your skin type. Step 1. Cleanse your skin. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. It helps to remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your skin. Choose a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have dry skin, opt for a creamy cleanser. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use a foaming cleanser that will help to control oil production. Massage the cleanser onto your face using gentle circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2. Exfoliate your skin. Exfoliating helps to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. This, in turn, helps to improve the texture and tone of your skin. However, it's important to use an exfoliant that's gentle on your skin. Harsh exfoliants can damage your skin and cause irritation. If you have sensitive skin, choose an exfoliant with fine particles. Use the exfoliant once or twice a week for best results. Step 3. Moisturize your skin. Moisturizing is an essential step in any skincare routine. It helps to hydrate and nourish your skin, keeping it soft and supple. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you have dry skin, opt for a heavier cream. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use a lightweight lotion. Apply the moisturizer to your face and neck after cleansing and exfoliating. Step 4. Protect your skin. Protecting your skin from the sun is crucial to maintaining its health and preventing premature aging. Use a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Apply the sunscreen to your face, neck, and any other exposed areas of your skin. Conclusion. In conclusion, taking care of your skin is not a difficult task. With just a few simple steps, you can achieve perfect skin. Remember to cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize, and protect your skin every day. Incorporate these steps into your daily routine, and you'll notice a visible difference in your skin's health and appearance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks.